Today we're going hiking. I'm going all the way up to the top. I don't know how well you guys can see it, but I'm going to the top, over the ridge, and then down over the side, down to the bottom where the Wai Ta Reservoir is. A lot of guava trees on the way up, so I'm going to try to navigate up the hill with the camera in hand without falling too hard. Come up here all the time. This is a real cool spot. Nobody ever around. Just got to get past the private property, climb under the fence, and then climb up this gnarly hill. So here we go. The trail is always overgrown. I come here maybe once every couple weeks. I always have a hard time trying to find the trail because it's so dense the farther you go up, but I got a pretty good idea of where it's at. Try not to laugh too hard if I fall. Already come pretty far, and let's keep heading up. There are a lot of different varieties of guava up here. Got the regular guava, and then I believe it's the strawberry guava and the banana guava, if I'm not mistaken. Alright, so here's the trail, and then it gets really overgrown, so I'm going to try to cut through to the top instead of following the trail. Looks like we've had some pig activity in this area because the ground is all messed up, so it means there were some wild boars up here recently because I was here 2 weeks ago and this wasn't here, so might see some big animals on this trip. They usually stay away from humans, though. Alright, where is it? There it is. Right. There's no footprint since I've been here last. I know there's another easier way into the area, but I prefer the hike. Good exercise. I'm already out of breath. 5 minutes of hiking. And we're coming towards the top, where the reservoir will come into view. And we'll start seeing the little red guavas and little mini yellow guavas on the trail here. Starting to see the guava trees. I don't know if they're not in season or if they just don't grow well here because there's not a lot of sun. But all these are where the red leaves are. Usually if we look around we'll find some guavas. I'm going to keep looking on the ground. If they're on the ground, that means they're growing somewhere close. But so far I don't see any. When I was here a couple weeks ago I found about 20 or 30. I brought a big bag hoping to harvest a bunch, but no luck. So we'll see if my luck changes this time. And now you guys can see the Wai Ta Reservoir. It's got tilapia, bass, other types of fish. And there's a tour you can take with Kauai ATV where you actually kayak and fish. Or you could do the ATV ride, which goes down by the Kaloa sugar mill, which is off there in the distance. Over the right we have Poipu, and then over farther to the right we have Kaloa. It's great to come out here. Nobody's ever out here. Keep looking for guavas. Last time I found a whole bunch right here in this area, but I'm not seeing any. And there's another tree farther up that had a bunch last time, so I'm hoping there's going to be a couple there this time. Turns into a proper trail right around here. Someone maintains it, obviously. Probably the pot growers. How's it? Looking for guavas.
Oh.
Yeah. Last time I came up there were some little yellow ones over here.
The small ones, yeah?
Yeah. You guys headed down to the reservoir?
Just up to the top right here.
Right on. I don't see any. Oh, there's somebody up here. I was right. Somebody does come up here. Maintain the trail. Looks like some guy with his 2 kids. Alright, so this is what they look like right here. We got some that aren't ripe. These boys right here. Usually, let's see, there's got to be some. We're going to find some. Live leak, we're going to find some. This is the buffalo grass I was talking about. He was cutting it down because it gets really thick. Let's see here. I don't see any. Oh, there we go. Here we go. I found a little red one. There we go. Sneaky little buggers. I can get my way through here. There it is. There's one. And there's some more up there, but as you can see, stuck in heavy brush. I'll try to get these boys up here. There we go. Perfect for smoothies. There's 3. They get a little bigger than this. These aren't fully ripe, but they are ripe enough. Hopefully that footage didn't come out too horribly. And let's see if we got any more growing. I gotta get in here. Nope. Well, that's about as far as I go. This trail leads to